Hello, dear friends. This is Foam Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to live stream on Facebook to your subscribers or other people. To do this, you go into the app, and you press the home button. Then you click on the line, What's on your mind? Now here you can select Live Video. Now you have this thing that launches with the help of which you can start a live Facebook broadcast. Here you can customize this feature in detail and also customize who will see this live broadcast. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Foam Support. Bye bye. See you later.